Welcome to Creative Tutorial. Please like, share and click subscribe. Press bell icon for latest video. This video based on features of Java. First feature is compiled and interpreted. As you all know, C and C++ is compile language. JavaScript and VB script is interpret language. But Java work on both compile and interpreter. Java said to be compiled and interpreted by two-step system process as discussed in previous video. Please watch previous video for compiler and interpreted two-step process. Our second feature of Java is platform independent. When Java file compiled, the compiler generates an executable file called .class file. This .class file contain bytecode. Bytecode is a set of instructions to JVM. Bytecode generated in one platform can be executed on any platform like Windows operating system, iOS operating system and Linux operating system. Next feature is object-oriented. Everything in Java is an object. Objects are declared in class. Real-world example. Just like Sony TV and Toshiba TV are instance of class television. Object-oriented programming is a programming style which is associated with the concepts like class, object, encapsulation, abstraction and polymorphism we'll discuss in next video. Next feature is simple and powerful. Comparing to other languages like C, C++, Java language is simple. High-level language are used in Java programming. Next important feature is portability. Java application are compiled and execute in any operating system and on any hardware. Write once and run anywhere. Next feature is robust. Java robust because of two main reasons. First, exception handling and second, automatic garbage collector. Java has inbuilt function for memory management. It deallocate the memory for objects which not used in the program, which known as garbage collector. Exception handling handle the error at runtime, thus eliminate risk of system crash. Multi-threading feature. Ability to do multiple process at a time. Java enable the feature of multi-threading. Next video on OOPS concept. Stay tuned. Thank you.